Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is payments bank. Now, as we had discussed in the case of small finance banks, that it was under the goal of financial inclusion that in the year 2013 a committee was formed under Mr. Nachiket More. It is known as the Nachiket More Committee. Now, as per this committee, what was recommended was the concept of small finance bank, which we have discussed. Another concept which was introduced as per this committee was the idea of payments bank. Now, a payments bank is a bank which is going to again be operating on a smaller scale, but without involving any credit risk. This means that this particular bank will provide all banking functions except for giving a loan. It cannot give a loan. So this is something that is important, that payment bank will not give any credit. Also, it can accept deposits, but not deposits more than 1 lakh. So this limit is what is there on payments bank. Also, they offer remittances services. It is primarily with the idea of offering remittances services that these banks were introduced. Paytm is a payment bank. Airtel Money is a payments bank. So this is something that you should know as part of examples of payment banks. Also, what these banks do is mobile payments. We all do these mobile payments using Paytm. They can also issue ATMs. They can issue debit cards, but they cannot issue credit cards. And this was a question in the prelims. Also, they can insure with net banking services. So these are the functions that payments bank are going to provide. Also, what you should know is that 75% of their savings have to compulsorily be deposited in government securities only. So this is one thing important, that of all the deposits that these banks have, 75% are to be deposited in government securities. This is a regulation on these banks. It helps check the money that the customers are depositing with these banks. Now, because loans are not to be given, so no question of PSL is there in payments bank. So that is another question which can be asked in future, and that's all about payments bank. I thank you all for watching the video.